आमी सदांच गोंय ग्रीन आनी क्लीन दवरपाचें चिंततात. पूण ताच्या खातीर आमी केन्ना सोल्युशन पळयनात. सदांच ते प्रॉब्लम आसा ते पळयतात. सो गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा ह्या फावट घेवन आयला DRSच्या निमतान एक असो इनिशिएटीव जो गोंयाक क्लीन आनी ग्रीन दवरतलो. येयात तर हो इनिशिएटीव कितें तो जाणून घेवया. सो आमी सदांच पळयतात की आमकां हांगा थंय कचरो दिसता हे ते आनी आमी सदां प्रॉब्लम पळयता. पूण आमचे कडेन आयज गोवा गव्हर्मेंट DRS इनिशिएटिव्हांतल्यान एक सोल्यूशन घेवन आयला आनी ती स्कीम हांगा आसा. हॅलो, या आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम मानव है.
और ये इनिशिएटिव क्या है?
So this is called deposit refund scheme.
Okay.
The initiative has been led by Goa government. Considering the condition of waste across the society, and that's how we see there's a lot of littering across Goa. So government of Goa has came with an initiative where every trash will become valuable, and why the trash is really important to be kept back, and instead of keeping our environment unhealthy parallelly creating a lot of landfills. So this initiative enables every consumer to come with a change where every product that they are consuming post consumption, all the non biodegradable waste will be come within the market with a particular QR
Okay.
code.
So
If I'll show you, there's a QR code attached to this particular commodity.
so every packaging will have this QR code on
Yes,
it.
all non-biodegradable packaging. So
Okay.
currently the Goa DRS is coming on multiple categories, which is plastic bottles, metal cans, glass bottles, which is majorly getting consumed and also getting litter across, right? So in this QR code, you will see there is something mentioned called return and get refunded. So in this scheme, what will happen, whenever the consumer is going to the market and purchasing a commodity like this, bottle is costing some rupees, there will be a deposit attached to it. So they will be pay the MRP parallelly. They will also give a deposit to it, which is, as of now, it is 2 rupees. But every different packaging will have different types of deposit. Some will have, the glass will have a different deposit, the plastic will have different deposit. So
For
what
now, how does it work?
so it works is like once you're consuming, this is how the packaging will look like. It's empty bottle. So the consumer will come to this particular machine. This will be happening across Goa, across 350 locations in Goa. We'll see this machine getting operated. The consumer will come first. They will show their UPI ID.
Okay.
It can be anything, phone
So
pay,
you can
Bharat Pay.
scan anything and
Yes.
you can get the money back.
Yes. So just simply scan my QR code.
Let me explain how the return and refund devices
To show this machine my QR code.
Okay.
3 simple steps.
So the machine will register my UPI ID, and I just need to show the QR code to the machine. The flap will open. So it's a safety to the machine as well as to the material. Now I just need to show the QR code to the machine, throw the material inside the bottle. The machine will accept the item, and you can see there is one plastic bottle get collected.
So it detects what it is.
Sorry?
So it detects what it is.
Exactly.
Like
So
plastic
this machine
or
is
tin.
AI enabled.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
way, this detects the material of the product, and then it adds which exactly is the material that we have put into the machine. Now, if I have multiple items, let's say if I'm consuming more, it can be.
Let me explain how
There's a plastic
refund
Okay, so
devices
we
Wrapper
can
as well.
dispose a wrapper also.
Yes, yes.
3 simple
So I'll again
steps.
scan the QR code,
Yeah.
You'll see QR
and I'll drop the item in the machine,
circular ring dropping
and you
the
can
item
see there's others is also
and a
one.
touch screen.
So now
So this will come in others. The
Yes.
wrappers and all.
others. Major category plastic, metal, can glass, and others categories are the categories that we have. So now you can see I have deposited 2 items. How much refund I have?
4 rupees.
I'll finish and claim,
Take you through a transaction.
and it's within a fraction of seconds you'll get a money in your bank.
Scan the item.
So that's how it is.
It is fast and instant.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
it is directly linked to your bank account, is perfectly safe, and you just need to deposit the material and get your money in your bank account.
be sent
So
to your
this is introduced in this Panjim only, or it will
No, this will be happening across Goa.
Across
It's a
Goa.
Goa
In
state
villages
DRS.
also.
In villages, every village across Goa, there will be 350 machines like this. There will be other collection ecosystem that the government has Goa proposed.
Yes.
So we are going to enable that as well, where the door-to-door collection also will happen. Where people get the feasibility to use to return their scrap at the doorstep itself. So that convenience and facilities are there. Parallelly, they can reach out to the machine and interact with the machine.
So who came up with the idea? Totally.
The idea is the schemes of government.
Okay.
So government has initiated a tender to the market,
Oh, yeah.
and then a company called Recycle, they got the tender and they are enabling all the devices into the market.
So do you have many like other devices
Yes.
which are connected to
Yes.
this? Yeah.
So this is one device that consumer can enter the market.
Okay.
Then for household collection, as I told you, where people will they come and collect material from your household door to door.
Okay.
So
So this
there is one small machine. So if this is not feasible into
Yeah.
somewhere, people can carry this and the same machine will work like that. There is a scanner where the UPI will get scanned,
Yeah.
and parallelly you will return the material to the person who is collecting it.
Okay, so the material will go to the person.
Yes, so like there is a bin, right?
Yeah.
I do the transaction of this machine, put the material into the bag, which generally are authorized waste pickers and our Safai Mitras on the road. They are doing it.
Yeah.
So other than that, if they are not able to use this machine, so we
Okay.
have small hand. This is a phone device.
So this is Android or
This is Android device. So in this, for them, for their ease, they can carry into their phone. Like I'm just keep my phone
Yeah.
in my pocket. I can keep it there. I'll go to door. I'll just
Yes.
simply scan through this.
Yeah.
I'll scan the QR code.
Okay.
I'll scan the UPI.
Yes.
I'll scan the material,
Yeah.
and I'll give the refund to the consumer who has consumed the product, and I'll take the material back and bring it to our facility.
okay. So where this waste gets like dumped?
So the entire process, like this machine is carrying some particular container inside it,
Okay.
where all the material is getting collected. So we will come and pick it up and bring it into our MRF facility, which is material recovery facility. In that facility, the material will be processed as per the compliance, as per the norms,
Yeah.
so that it should be properly disposed of, and then it will go for further processing.
So does it get recycled?
Yes, so it will go to the recyclers, and the recycler will convert it into as per their policies, and then again it will come to the market.
Yes. Thank you, and we like the initiative.
Yeah, sure.
I hope this Goans will like it too.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank
so
you. Vice
this
President.
will come, and
Yeah.
everybody will have a ease. So let's
Yes.
make Goa clean.
Actually.
Thank you.
सो आता आम्ही DRS इनिशिएटिव्ह कितें तो जाणून घेतलो. आता आमी तुमकां रिव्ह्यूज जे थोड्या लोकांनी ह्या इनिशिएटिव्हा बाबतीन दिल्यात ते पळोवया.
माझे नाव शिल्पा रमेश वांतेकर. हांव दिवाडेसून आसा. हांव पिंक रिक्षा ड्रायव्हर, तशेंच हांव वेस्ट कलेक्टर. आमच्या गांवान हांव वेस्ट कलेक्ट करता आनी सेग्रिगेट करता. आनी आतां कितें जालां, जे आयज हांव हांगा काजू फेस्टिवलाक येयले ते हे DRS ते मशीन पळयलें आनी म्हाका कितलें बरें दिसलें. कित्याक गेलीं 6 वर्सां जालीं हांव काम करता गार्बेजीक, पूण आमकां अशें प्रॉपर कोण स्क्रॅप डीलर मेळनासले, कशें वेट करप तें कळनासलें. पूण आयज हें मशीन पळोवन म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें की आमकां खूब फायदो जातलो ह्या मशिनाचे आनी वेगळे येता आनी अशें केल्यार आमचें गोंय निवळ उरतलें आनी ही गव्हर्मेंटाची बरी इनिशिएटीव आसा. थँक्यू.
Hi, this is Amit Malvankar. I'm a realtor in Goa, and I just tried out the system here, and I think it's something that's fantastic. It's something which is definitely going to help take care of the pollution and the garbage around. Guys, must try it.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव ॲडव्होकेट सुरेल तिळवे. हांव बांदोड्या विलेज पंचायतीचो विलेज डेव्हलपमेंट कमिटीचो कन्व्हेनर. आमकां खूब त्रास जाता जेन्ना गार्बेजीचो इश्यू येता. हांव गार्बेज मॅनेजमेंट कमिटीनूय बीन आसा. गार्बेजीचो इश्यू हो सगळ्या पंचायतींनी आसा. पूण आतां ही जी नवी स्कीम आयल्या की तुमी गार्बेज हाडून हांगा डेपॉझीट करा आनी तुमकां तितूंतल्यान कितें तरी पयशे मेळटले. हाजे खातीर लोक रस्त्यार गार्बेज उडोवपाची खूब कमी करताले आनी ती गार्बेज सारकी त्या जाग्यार पावपा जाय त्या जाग्यार पावतली. नाजाल्यार आमी पळयता की आमकां खूब त्रास सहन करचे पडटा. आमच्या शेतांनी सगळ्यो काचेच्यो बाटल्यो, प्लास्टिकाच्यो बाटल्यो अशें सगळें येवन जावं व्हाळान आमच्या सगळ्या कचरो येवन व्हाळ तुंबता. तो सगळो इश्यू सेटल करपा खातीर खंय तरी ही स्कीम म्हाका दिसता की खूब बरी पडटली आनी सगळ्या लोकां कडेन मागता की तांच्यांनी तांचो कचरो असो बेश्टोच काडून भायर उडोवचो न्ही. आतां सरकार तुमकां कितें तरी ह्या कचऱ्या फाटल्यान मोबदलो दितले आनी त्याचो तुम्ही पुरेपूर फायदो घेवचो.
तर आयच्या ह्या व्हिडिओतल्यान आमी तुमच्या मुखार दवरलो गोंय सरकाराचो DRS इनिशिएटीव. अशेच नवे व्हिडिओज आनी विचार आमी तुमचे मेरेन घेवन येत रावतली. ते खातीर पळयत रावात द व्हॉयस फॉर गोय.
The Voice for Goy.